Hi, everybody. Welcome to freecardano.com. Let's explain to you how to use a promo code because this is a question that we've been receiving so many times. Before we get to it, just in really short, if you see the number one here, these are the mailers we have. For instance, PipeFlare, this is a great website. You can claim ZEC from here. And when you claim it, it goes straight to your wallet. You don't even need to reach a minimum. You get it paid right away. So this is a great way to collect crypto without any strings attached and without any hassles. So definitely check out all the other offers here. For instance, Sunnygain is a great website. Morpher is going to pay you $2 just for signing up. And we're really doing our best to provide you only good and proper offers here. So check out this section. Make sure you like it. If you have any comments, of course, we're always happy to get your feedback, but we're really doing our best to promote here only good, genuine websites. We don't put any junk or anything that we ourselves don't like. We always test ourselves the offers before we actually put them here in the mails. So this is just for you. So back to explaining how to use a promo code. So when you roll, you have to go through CAPTCHA only once every 24 hours. So here it's asking me to find images of cactus. So this one is cactus, this one is a cactus here. Once you're done, it's gonna roll, and that's it. I got 8463. Okay, got the lowest price this time. And you get a promo code from here. For instance, this is a post from yesterday. We have until 10 p.m. GMT, so we still got time. Let's copy the code. You just place it here and you click on go. That's it. As simple as that. Don't forget, if you want to roll again, here, so you can roll one more time. Let's check the Telegram. Guys, don't forget to follow us on Telegram as well. It's a great resource for more promo codes. So let's put this here. And now I can roll two times because I entered two promo codes. So you can click on roll. You got it. Click on roll and you got it. So this way you can grab like 10 codes, roll like 10 times in a row in 2, 3 minutes. Don't have to waste your time and go to the other site, the next site that we have, free NEM, free Bitcoin. This way you can claim as many claims as you like, as much crypto as you can. Really, the sky's the limit. And don't forget 50% on every roll that your referrals make. So if somebody is winning $300, you get $150, no strings attached. And we had lots of guys winning this as well. And as we mentioned, that's basically how it works. Very simple. Good luck with your rolls. And if you have any comments, please share them below, and we'd be happy to respond to them. Thank you, and have a great day. And good luck with your rolls.